Hi, can I have my laundry, please?
Coming right up.
See, it's one of those classic ads. It's for a male product, so women will get attracted to you. So in terms of gender sensitivity, I mean, if you look at it subjectively, it is not gender sensitive because you're showing women as objects getting attracted to the man. But if you look at it a little bit of in an objective way, the product is about attracting women. I don't think the ad is anything to do with the product right now. They're just showing women going after a man. In that sense, I don't think it's sensitive. Where gender sensitivity is concerned. 3.
बेटा तुम रोज सुधा के घर आने से पहले खाना खा लेते हो?
नहीं नहीं, वैसे तो रोज साथ ही खाते हैं। आज काम में अटक गई होगी।
अच्छा एक बात बताओ
जी।
प्रमोशन के बाद तुम्हारी सैलरी से घर आराम से चल जाता होगा, तो फिर सुधा को काम करने की जरूरत क्या है?
पापा सुधा घर चलाने के लिए काम नहीं करती, उसे अच्छा लगता है इसलिए करती है।
हम उनसे मिलाते हैं जो आपको समझ पाते हैं। भारत मैट्रिमोनी।
The Bharat Matrimony ad is simply lovely. It makes a central point about everybody having choice, and it doesn't push too much one way or the other. I like moderation, and at the same time I'm against the women not having an option. I like it because it's balanced. It says that the woman has the option, her husband is understanding, he says she wants to work, so she can work. So it's a great ad. 9 on 10.
I draw a line down the middle of the road, sketching love on my board.
See you at the office.
It's the rough that I tread.
It's a 6.
But the smooth gets me there.
Kiddo, boss. Get serious.
बॉस के लिए I'm always serious.
I said, ooh, I'm a prisoner of love.
Tries desperately to show that the woman is the boss. She may be the boss in the office, but for all practical purposes, she's still in servitude to him as a sex object. So it's not at all a gender sensitive ad. In fact, it completely reinforces the stereotypes, even though it pretends to show that the woman is the boss in the workplace. Score 2.
Soft idli. No chutney. अम्मा याद आ गया। अम्मा होता तो मिनिमम 3 टाइप्स चटनी मिलता। परवल है?
नारियल, अनियन, पुदीना, धनिया, 25 टाइप्स ऑफ चटनी बनाओ। चटनी पत्नी।
Havells to me, I think, is one of those best examples of gender sensitivity handled in an advertising. I mean, it very clearly puts focus on the woman to put her foot down. She's not demure and shy, and this whole thing about that is chutney and this is patni, and I'm not a machine. Every time they have done, and the good thing about it is it's completely about the product. It is not some indulgent ad. So to me, I really genuinely rate that entire campaign as something that puts a new focus on progress for women. You equip people. You equip women when you do advertising like this to put your foot down and say, no, this is as much as I will do. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 8 or 9.
Hey.
Hey.
Wow. That's beautiful, yeah.
Oh, come on.
Spoiled sport.
What must I do to get your undivided attention?
Take me inside.
I'm serious.
अरे?
हम एक साथ बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं स्पेंड करते हैं.
Then what is this?
Is you spending time with your phone?
अरे तुम ही ने ये गिफ्ट किया था ना?
अगर मैं तुम्हें टाइम गिफ्ट करूं तो will you spend it with me?
What?
हाँ या ना?
Come on, yeah.
They show the woman very vulnerable, dependent on the man, craving for his attention. The equation between them also somehow doesn't come out very positively. It is a kind of a sticky, clinging type of attention seeker, that comes to our mind when we watch the women in the film. And I don't think that is the right way of portraying the relationship between two mature adults in a very healthy relationship. So I think it's not a very sensitive ad.
Hey man.
Hi.
Hey,
Hi.
man. Nice to see you.
How are you? Wow.
Where's the hair in your head?
Lovely earrings. Thanks. Look, Varun, stunning, na?
अरे भाई, इनके पतिदेव ठहरे इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर, इनके लिए डायमंड इयरिंग्स क्या चीज है?
अबे साले, 6 महीने से घर पे बैठा हूँ, बुक लिख रहा हूँ, नो इनकम, लॉयर मैडम घर चला रही हैं।
आहा, so you're the man of the house, huh?
Even better. I'm the woman of the house.
I think I walked you to it.
Yes, you did.
Again, they're trying very hard to do a role reversal, which is good. I think they must have realized that in the world outside, women are working and they're the ones who are making the choices about buying the diamonds. So that's good. She says, well, he explains that no, I've been out of work and I've been writing a novel, so I haven't been earning, and she's the one who's bought the earrings, so she is the agent, so she's the working woman, which is good. 6.
What I liked about the PC Jewelers ad was the husband was really open and frank about how the household has been run by his wife.
It's brilliantly done, first of all, that it's subtly put that the wife is caring for the husband, where she makes the breakfast for him and stuff like that, and the husband's being just an idiot and doesn't respect the fact that he's being taken care of and she cares for him.
It's her choice and she's working apart from just managing even the household work, so that's absolutely fine.
On a scale of 1 to 5, I would rate as 3.
I don't think so that anyone will do such thing, so I didn't like that much.
Regarding this Titan ad, I did not like it at all, because in the first place he is acting very snobbish with his own wife.
He's in the commanding position where instead of the boss. It's just demeaning, because I think today's women are much more career oriented than men are, and they are in the field where they are constantly competing with men, and they're really doing a great job nowadays. So it's just stupid right now to portray a woman in such a negative light, and I don't like that much.
See, I feel like, even when we are at Ladli and when we are doing, kind of talking, I feel that it does not come as a second nature to us, unless it's, it's on the agenda. So like we put mandatories on the brief, that it should be 30-seconder, it should be only shot in India. These are mandatories. Maybe a line which is say, please evaluate for gender sensitivity as well when you create. If the leaders in the advertising business are told that, so if I'm leading a team of creative people, I should constantly think about it when someone brings something.
Basically, because advertising is so impactful, we all in this business have to think about our responsibility. Actually, we don't realize, we just do a job and go home. This is one of the ways to do it. In advertising, you make the man look at the girl with respect. You let the girl respect herself.
Certainly you can make ads which are gender neutral, in the sense that you are not objectifying either the male or the female. You're not making the male macho and you're not making the female into a sex object. You're not showing the woman in a position of servility. You're not showing the woman constantly bending, scraping in the house and so on. So there is quite a lot of scope.
You're in the communication field. You can change the messages that you're giving. So it's not necessary if your target audience is a woman for a particular product, there's nothing wrong in focusing the woman. But how do you show the environment in which the woman is working can be changed without actually looking very what you call revolutionary or boring or politically correct. So using your initiative, using your imagination, innovativeness, creativity, I think you can change the way India thinks and treats its women.